An earthquake of magnitude 4.9 occurred only 16 minutes ago 75 kilometers southeast of Faīẓābād, Afghanistan, the German Research Center for Geosciences (GFC) reported. The quake hit at an intermediate to considerable depth of 220 kilometers beneath the epicenter near Faizabad, Badakhshan, Afghanistan, in the morning on Sunday, May 28, 2023, at 9:49 a.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, which listed it as a magnitude 4.9 earthquake as well.